Place an oversized, easy-access electrical breaker panel near the kitchen so resets are simple during heavy use or family events. When planning an accessible electrical panel for a large family kitchen, size the panel to handle current and future loads by adding capacity for at least 4 additional circuits beyond your present needs, and include options for 2 dedicated circuits for high-draw appliances like ovens and induction cooktops. Positioning a main subpanel in a pantry or utility closet directly adjacent to the kitchen cuts response time during trips and reduces long cable runs, which lowers voltage drop and simplifies routing. Install a clearly marked, durable labeling system using laminated labels and a consistent naming convention so anyone can find and reset the right breaker fast. Update the panel directory after every change. Add whole panel surge protection mounted on the load side and leave space for 2 spare breakers to accommodate temporary devices such as catering equipment or holiday lighting without overloading existing circuits. Ensure the panel has easy-handed breakers that can be reset with one hand and are located between 48 and 60 inches above the finished floor for universal reach while complying with local electrical code. Always hire a licensed electrician to calculate load, verify breaker types, and pull required permits so the work is safe and insurable. Do not attempt major panel modifications without professional oversight. The 3 most common mistakes are undersizing the panel and running out of capacity, which leads to frequent tripping and unsafe additions. The fix is to plan for expansion by adding extra spaces and higher amp service when you remodel. Second is poor labeling and mixed conventions that confuse family members and responders. The solution is to relabel with machine-printed laminated tags and keep a paper and digital copy of the circuit map. Third is neglecting surge protection and spare breaker space, producing interrupted events and the need for temporary extension cords. Include a dedicated surge protector at the panel and reserve at least 2 empty breaker slots when you install the panel. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples that relate directly to kitchen electrical upgrades, so we help people visualize options before hiring. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips and experiences that help contractors find work and homeowners make confident choices.